Hello everybody, welcome back. It looks like I'm going to hang on to the bounder for a while after all. I've been putting a lot of work into it and just making things right. Uh, and I want to get some use out of it. After all this work and money, I guess I'm ready for a break and just want to enjoy it for a while. I'm not ready to move out of it into another RV and start the process all over of upgrades and repairing all the little things and making it right. It takes a lot to do that. So we're gonna hang on to the bounder for a while. I've had a lot of packages starting to arrive, some parts, and it's been like Christmas around here almost. So we think we finally found the smoking gun of the generator problem, and that part has come in. Some other things came in, something for the motorcycle, something for inside the RV, and the solar system. 2 items are coming to upgrade the solar. What else is going on? Just, I don't know, but we're going to get this generator figured out once and for all. Well, this will be the moment of truth. So I'm going to put this thing in, and I'm going to put the other circuit board in, plug them all in, put the screws in it, and try it, and we're going to see what happens. It better start. Well, and now the moment of truth. The trouble is, before, all 3 problems led to the same symptom. It would start every time. It was when I let my finger off that it would die. It would stop running. It would start, but it would die. Now, I can let my finger off and it stays running. Okay, that concludes this portion of the video. Okay, what's next? I do want to get the motorcycle on this rack. That was the other, that was kind of a big item, to get that tow, that new heavy-duty tow hitch for the RV, get it installed. I have not tried to put the motorcycle on yet. Speaking of the motorcycle, something came for it. Hang on. Oops. Okay, where is it? Another package. Another important package. Okay. This is all about the adventure. Okay? This is all about the adventure. Okay, ready for this? Alright. I installed this 12-port power plug. Let me show you something here. Here's the bike. It was an option. It didn't come with one. Kawasaki wanted $85 or $86 for a 12 volt port. So I put this little one down in here. It has a weather cover on it. That was like $8 at AutoZone, and I've had that on most of my bikes. But here's the thing, okay? I got that new one of these. You might have seen that in that last video. The other one got loose. Come on, get on there. And then I tried fixing it and I broke it. So I ended up getting a new one anyway. Okay, so the bike is going to be ready for adventure. Now I got a tablet in the RV. Come on, get on there. That I use Google Maps. But you know, if I get out and about adventuring on the motorcycle in areas that I don't know, there, it fits real nice. Look at that. And then I'll just plug this in here. Okay. And there we go. It comes to life. Alright, where is it? Where is it? Alright. Alright. See, it's ready. That's it, acquiring satellites. So now the motorcycle is equipped with its own GPS system. And I'll have to see if I can change this little icon from a little blue car to a motorcycle. Alright. So now the motorcycle's ready. Let me see, what else? This will be easier with the other camera. Okay, the other camera, and we're inside now. Quick repair I'm making here. And yeah, there's stuff everywhere. There's a mess. Stuff everywhere. Alright. You know, I noticed that these cabinets, okay, I noticed there was a gap and got bigger and bigger as you got to the end, and they were coming loose. There was a pretty good gap there. So I took everything out, took all the weight out of them. I didn't have a bunch of heavy stuff in here. It's not like I had them overloaded. Somehow they'd worked their way. They've coming loose a little bit. So I didn't want the thing eventually, the whole thing coming down and crashing. So I took all the weight out of it, took the doors off of it. I got clamps. I'm going to throw just a couple more on there. There's a piece right behind here that attaches to. So I'm going to pre-drill some holes and put screws in there. And then my cabinet will be fixed. I can get my doors back on and my junk back in there. So I'll probably have that done this evening. And another upgrade. Okay. You know, I've only been back, it seems like forever. I've only been back in Pennsylvania now for 6 weeks and, you know, a couple days. It just seems like, it seems like the summer's just flying by, and it's not really not even summer yet. But it just seems like it's been a long time. I'm ready to get out of here and do something. So, but we're really getting close to getting some major things I wanted to get done, you know, before out hitting the road, you know, long term again. You know, gone the entire, you know, leaving early this summer and all fall and all winter. You know, now's the time I want to get this stuff done, and I can be out on the road, and the rig's in good shape. So, and everything working as I want it to, and as it should. So here's what I did. I finally upgraded this this little charge controller for my solar. You know, so there's not wires in it anymore. I upgraded to this one, and that's a MPPT controller. And well, just to keep things simple, we're going to call that a smart controller, and we're going to call that a dumb controller. Now, that one served me well. It's 30 amp. It came in a starter set. You can get a starter kit for just under $200. It comes with all the wires. It comes with a 100-watt solar panel, all the wires you need to go from the solar panel down to the charge controller, and then down to from the charge controller down to the batteries. So it's a nice complete kit, 100 watts, for just under $200. Well, that charge controller is 30 amp, and you can put a maximum of 400 watts or 4 panels on it, which I did upgrade, and I have 4 panels up there now. So that system's kind of maxed out, and that's just kind of a generic controller to where it doesn't monitor minute by minute really the conditions on the roof, whether it's sunny or cloudy, just to keep it as simple as I can. It kind of measures things in the morning, what my battery level is, and kind of sets a safe charge rate for the day. And that's what it does. And if it gets cloudy, too bad. It's not going to... let's get on to the smart charger. The smart charger monitors minute by minute. It will compensate if it knows what my batteries are at the beginning of the day. It's going to estimate, you know, a charge rate that's safe for the day. But if it gets cloudy with this one, it will offset that. It will compensate. It will open up the gate, so to speak, and put more power, you know, allow more power to go to the batteries. And then if it clears up and it gets all sunny again, then it'll turn that back to the original rate again. So I don't know how else to explain it. Or if I put a load on the batteries all of a sudden, if I plug the e-bike in for a couple hours to charge it, it knows that there's power going somewhere and it's safe to go ahead and send more from the solar panels through. And then once that job's over, again, it will return to the original rate. Does that make sense? The way I understand it, and in very basic terms, is kind of what it does. So at the end of the day, my batteries are happier. They're going to be better charged. And that old one's 30 amp. This one's also 40 amp. So it will actually allow me to add one more panel. So we're going from 400 watts to 500 watts and a better charge controller. My batteries will just be in better shape. They'll be happier. And right now is not the time of year. You know, it's getting where it's about summer, you know, nice sunny days, longer days. It's really not a problem this time of year. I do have enough power. But I'll be kicking myself when it gets fall and winter that I didn't do this, because when the days get shorter and the sun's, you know, not, you know, running more to the south, I'm not getting as much solar then. That's when I want the additional. You follow me? All right, enough about the solar. Okay. Actually, I think that's all I wanted to talk about in this video was 4 projects. Was there another one? The generator, that was big. I've been waiting on that to work. That's a big relief. I'm going to be testing it over the next coming days, and, you know, knock on wood, it better be, I'm hoping. Okay, so that'll be a big one. Finally done. Getting the bike finally, that's done. The GPS on the bike, the cabinets, the solar upgrade. I think that's it. Oh, you know what? There might be one more package here, in a big one. There's another package here. There it is. There it is. The solar panel came. Oh, I don't think the mounting brackets are going to be here. They're sold separately. I don't think the mounting brackets are going to be here for a couple of days yet. But that's okay. I got enough to do. Those brackets will be here by the time I'm ready for them. Okay? That's it. We're getting there. Betty Bounder is going to be in pretty nice top shape. with everything working, fully functional, and then some. She'll be a nice motorhome to be traveling in. Big, but it'll be nice. We're gonna take a break. Hopefully I can get those cabinets back together and really kind of get things wrapped up. I do want to get out of here for a little bit this weekend. I need to get out of here for a little bit this weekend. Come on, Bella. Come on. Come on. Okay, come on. Go on. Go on. There you go. There you go. Da-da-da-da-da. No, no, no. Bella, no. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I gotta hide behind this tree because it got windy all of a sudden. There you go. There's a stick. There's a stick, Bella. That's a good girl. There you go. Get it. Ready? Get it. 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 Come on. This way. Get it. All right, come on. Good girl. All right. She'll be okay out here in the yard for a little bit. Come here. Better come. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Huh, say, I like them sticks. I don't always like to bring them back. Get it. Go on. Get it. Get it. No. Get out of that. Get out of that. That's being bad. Get out of there. Don't be rolling and stop. Don't be rolling. Come on. Back up. Come on. Good girl. Go get that stick. Go get that stick. Go get it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Check back. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time.